In this example, we try to evaluate the given function given here as 3x square minus 4x plus 2 at the x equal to 2 and at x equal to negative 2. So let's try to evaluate the function. So let's first try to evaluate the function at x equal to 2. So to do that, by the notation, we need to evaluate the function at 2, right? So that's what we need to do. But what does that mean? That means on this given function over here, wherever there is x, which is over here and then here, we just need to replace those x completely by 2, right? So that's how we evaluate the function. So let's do that then. So we have given this function here, which is 3x square minus 4x plus 2. So we have 3x square is the first term, so let's write that down, which is 3. And then we have x square, so we need to replace that x by 2, right? So that's how we need to we need to replace that x by 2, right? So that's how we need to do. So let's do that. Minus 4 times, right? So we have again over here x, so we need to replace that by again by 2 plus 2. This is how we try to evaluate the function. So now we have just evaluated, but we don't know the actual evaluation because we have not computed this expression. So let's try to do that. So what is square of the 2? 4 times 3 will be 12, right? So that will be the simplification. So let's do that. And then we have over here negative 4 times 2, so that will be equal to negative 8, right? And then plus 2, right? So that's how we had, that's what we have over here. So now this just add or subtract together, we get 12 minus 2 is what do we have? 12 minus 8 is 4 plus 2 will be 6, right? So this is the value of the function at 2, or we can say that is the evaluation of the function at 2. Okay, so let's try to do in the similar way to evaluate the function at negative 2, right? So that's what we also need to do. So let's do that. So we now need to evaluate f at negative 2. So that's the notation to say that we are finding the value of the function at negative 2. So let's write that notation. Now what does that mean? That means we need to now replace x over here on the given function. Wherever there is x, we need to replace that completely now by negative 2. Right, it's the same thing like what we have done earlier, but we have negative 2, whatever number we have, but we do the same thing. We just need to replace x completely by the number wherever we have to evaluate, right? So 3 times, then we have x square here, so we need to replace that x completely by negative 2. So then we'll have square of negative 2 minus we have here 4x, right? So that's what we have. So we need to replace we need to write 4 as it is, replace x completely by negative 2 plus, and we have a constant 2 here, so we just need to write that down as it is. Okay, so we are done, but on a sense that we evaluate, but we need to simplify this and then get a number, right? So let's do that. Let's simplify the first term. Square of negative 2 will be positive 4, right? Negative 2 times negative 2 will be positive 4. So times 3 will be 12, right? So we have again here 12 on the first term, and then we have negative 4 here, negative 2 here, so negative 4 times negative 2 will be positive 8, right? And then plus 2. And now 12 plus 8 is what is that? 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 2 will be 22 is the value of the function at negative 2, and then this is the value of the function at negative 2, and then this is the value of the function at 2.